What's up, y'all? It's your girl Fabulous Flourishing Faith, and welcome back to another video. If you see this head wrap on, you already know what time it is. It's time for another wash day style. Of course, I'm doing another wash and go, but this time I'm trying a new product combo that I've been seeing a little bit here and there all over social media, and y'all know I'm the wash and go queen. Let's get right into the products I'm going to be using and into the video. I use these products separately and I have a video on them, so definitely go check out my page, but I'll leave all the good information about these products on the screen. I'm using the Pattern Beauty Curl Mousse and the Miche Beauty Tropical Oasis Gel, so let's see how they work. Okay, so now that I kind of told y'all a little bit about the products, I'm going to hop right into it. Y'all see me do a wash and go millions of times, so really this video is to see how I like the products mixed together and how the style sets and really how it lasts throughout the week. But if you want to see more detailed wash and go product combo reviews, definitely check out my natural hair playlist. I have plenty of videos there for you, but let me know in the comments if you have any questions in particular, and let's get right into styling my wash and go. If you didn't already know, I have a video probably likely posted right before this video. I just trimmed my hair today at home, no stylist, so I'm hoping my hair doesn't look wonky and zonky and crazy, but we're gonna see. My middle part is standing strong. I do middle part all the time, so I kind of just have like an indefinite middle part, but I love it, so it is no problem for me. So I'm going to kind of tie up the rest of my hair, like get it out of my way. And y'all know I pretty much start in the back 9 times out of 10. So let's get into it. I'm not gonna chit chat too much, but y'all know I always start off with like tons of water on my hair. So I have my regular spray bottle filled with just water, no leave-in conditioner or anything like that in there, just tons of water. And then I have my unbrush that I use as I'm detangling, and those are really the products that I use minus the actual products. Those are the only tools that I use minus the products for the wash and go itself. So let's see what we're working with. I've used the mousse by itself before and I like it. It's definitely like a mousse. It definitely works better if you set under a hooded dryer to kind of diffuse it, to kind of lock your curls in place. But y'all know I like a crunchy stronghold wash and go. I just feel like that's how my wash and goes last, and the mousse by itself didn't give me that. So when I seen somebody use it with the Miche Beauty Gel, I was like, oh, that's smart, because I really love that gel. I didn't get any flaking or anything, so I'm excited to use these two products together and see how my hair looks post DIY trim. I feel like it should be fine, and if it's not, it just won't be. I always tell y'all, make sure you start on soaking wet hair. I just feel like that's just the best for wash and go, and if you feel like it's not turning out how you want it to, you probably need more water. So I'm going to start off with this little mini mousse that I had. I forgot when I got this, but I'm going to make sure I use that all up before I use my bigger bottle. But we're going to kind of just saturate the hair. I'm going to go ahead and open up my gel so I can have her nice and handy dandy. But making sure, I do remember when using this mousse, it dried really fast and set my curls in place really fast. So I'm glad about that, because it's later in the night and I'm getting ready to go to bed after a while, and I don't want to have to worry about wet hair. I'm going to sit under my hooded dryer anyways, but I don't want it to take too long. Hold on, let me adjust my camera for y'all. Okay, I feel like that's a little bit better. Add more water, of course. I feel like I cut my hair pretty decently. At least it doesn't bother me. Add a little bit more mousse. Kind of get my curls I want. I feel like it always just takes me a little bit for my first section to kind of like get the feel, because I actually haven't done a wash and go in a while. I did one last week, but before that it had been like 2 weeks since I did a wash and go. I had my hair in that cute slick back bubble pony, so kind of got to get the feel of it again, but I think it's going pretty good. Since I think I want the mousse to kind of like have a chance on its own, I'm only going to use probably about this much gel. Hopefully y'all can see that. Rub it in my hands and smooth it on my hair, and that is going to be it. This time I'm going to do each section, mousse first, then the gel, and we're just gonna kind of roll with it. I'm hoping it turned out cute. If not, it'll go in a puff, y'all know, but I'm hoping it'll last me through the week, but we shall see. I'm gonna add a little bit more water. I'm so absolutely happy I trimmed my ends. I even noticed how the products are going on my hair at the ends. Like, it's just, it was much needed. I'm gonna go in with a little bit more gel, and the curls look good. Let me zoom in for y'all a little bit. I think they look good. I have a habit of like doing too much with my curls, but I think they look good. I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my hair, do a cute little montage, and then come back immediately after I've completed all the sections before I go under my hooded dryer to give y'all like my thoughts on the product combo itself. So stay tuned. Okay, so I am finished doing my entire hair. This is immediately after me doing all the sections. First off, I'm not gonna lie, I think I got a little scissor happy and I might have clipped off too much, but I don't think it looked bad. I'm gonna have to go in the mirror to really see how it looks, go in my bathroom and see how it really looks. But down to the product combo, I don't know if I can say this is one of my favorite product combos. I'll have to see after I sit under my hooded dryer and like once it sets. But first off, even with using a lot of water, I noticed, like for me, I always tell me my curls talk to me and my curls separate where they want to separate, and it's easy for me. For this product combo, it didn't do that. I feel like I really had to work at it more than I typically do for a wash and go, and I don't know if I like that. Number two, maybe I should have used a little bit more gel and a little bit less mousse, but it is kind of already starting to dry, so we shall see. And I noticed already a little bit of frizziness even after working the product in each section fairly well, which is not something I typically like to see while I'm doing my hair, because if it's frizzy while you're doing it, it's gonna be frizzy later. So I don't know, just a combination of all of that. I can't say so far this is my favorite product combo, but we shall see, like I said, after I sit under my hooded dryer and once it's fully dry. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna see how long it's gonna take. I don't think it should take too long, maybe 30 minutes, and then I think I'm gonna be done. So let me sit under my hooded dryer. First, let me go to the bathroom and see what the hair is giving. Then let me sit under my hooded dryer and come back and give y'all my final review. Alrighty, you guys, it is now 30 to 45 minutes later, and my hair is, I will say, 90% dry. The rest is kind of just like right at the roots in some areas, but I am done. So I'm gonna give y'all a quick 360. And this is the look. I actually can tell how I cut more off. I went in and kind of cleaned up the ends. I like it. It's giving me a cute little funky little bobbish look. I like it. I like it. It's cute. But let me give my final thoughts on the product combo. I think I would use it again. It is some spots where it's still frizzy. That might have just been me, but I don't know. I won't say this is like my first, like when I just know I need my wash and go to be good. Like, I'm not gonna say I'm gonna reach for this product combo, but when I want to try something different again and I have time to sit under the hooded dryer and give me a look, I would use this again. So I would give it maybe like a 7 out of 10. Not my fave, but it's not the worst. Like, I would definitely use it again. I would definitely recommend it. I would definitely say this is one where you got to take your time to do it. Definitely sit under a hooded dryer. Like, I would not let this air dry because I feel like it would get frizzy. But Next time if I do try this product combo, I have to buy some more gel now because I used all the gel this wash and go. So I would probably use less of the Pattern Beauty foam mousse, and I would probably use a little bit more of the Miche Beauty gel just to see if the ratio would give me different results. But overall, not too bad. I don't think I cut off too much. I think I cut off just enough for my trim ends. I don't think I cut off too much. I think it's cute. So still just some frizzy areas, but nothing too crazy. Like, I think this wash and go is gonna last me throughout the whole week. Like I said, 7 out of 10. If you're looking for a new product combo just to try, and you just like so happen to have these products together and you just like, let me see how it turned out, I would definitely say give it a try. Not something I'm gonna reach for every single wash day experience, no, but definitely when I try again and just like mess up with the ratio a little bit to see if I get better results. But that is it for this video. I hope y'all like my post trim wash and go new product combo video, but let me know in the comments if you'll be trying it. But that is it. I hope you like this video, and I hope to see you in the next one, because over here we're fabulous, flourishing, learning, and having fun. Bye.
Lord help me fix my gaze upon